Welcome to Recipes for Seven Life. I am so excited for this dish because my friend Mari from Salud is here to show us how to make what?
A Sante Fe Salmon Bowl.
Oh, Mari, tell everybody how you made it.
Very simple. Some white rice, some black beans, some corn. I then chopped up some peppers, some onions, some avocado, a little mango, ija.
Oh my gosh. And tell everybody how you put together the salmon, how you seasoned it.
So you want to season it with some lemon pepper, a little chili, very simple.
Yeah.
Goes a long way.
One thing I love about Mari is it's simple yet delicious, right? And talk about the sauce. What did you put in this sauce that's on top of it?
So the sauce is a chipotle, sweet and spicy. However, I cut it with a little mayonnaise just to cut the spice down.
Yeah. And why did you pick this dish, Mari?
In honor of Hispanic Heritage Month, I thought that it would be great to add a little cilantro, a little pepper, a little onion. That's all Hispanic right there.
Well, I think it's great too, and I'm gonna try. So Mari, tell everybody about Salud. How did it come to be?
Salud Market was born in my mind in 2014 as my husband and I drove around looking for a healthy option on Buffalo's East Side, and we could not find it.
Yeah.
So after that, we decided to be part of the change. And we were driving around during the pandemic. We found an empty space on the corner of Main and Delavan, right across from Canisius College, and we thought this was it. This is home.
And it is it. It is home. You need to stop by and check it out. I can't even talk because I'm sitting here eating this, Mari. The community loves you. Thank you for doing what you do. You need to head over to wkbw.com/7life to get this recipe. This is delicious. Mari, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Recipes for Seven Life would like to thank Close Mentor.